In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Payhip. We'll walk through the exact process from adding your first product to customizing the look and layout of your store. So by the end, you'll have a clean, functional site you can keep refining with confidence. First, log into your Payhip dashboard. Before the store builder unlocks, you need to add at least one product. At the top, click Products, then select plus Add New Product. You'll see different product types you can sell. For this walkthrough, choose a digital product, but the steps are similar for other types. Inside the product editor, click Upload Product File. A file chooser will open. Pick the file from your computer and click Open. Next, add a clear product title and set a price that matches the value you're offering. Upload a cover image to make your listing stand out. Choose a clean, high-quality image that represents the product well. Add a descriptive product description. Rich text is supported, so you can format headings and emphasize key benefits for readability. Set the product's visibility. Visible to list it publicly in your store. Unlisted if you prefer to share it only via a direct link, or invisible to keep it as a draft. When everything looks good, scroll down and click. Add product. Wait for the page to reload so you can confirm it's been saved. Now, head to the top right, click your profile icon and choose Store Builder. You'll see a live preview of your site on the right, and on the left, a sidebar with your pages and sections. This is where all the editing happens. To edit any section, click it in the left sidebar. The panel will refresh with grouped editing and styling options. Take a moment to expand each group so you understand what's available: text, images, buttons, spacing, and more. Use the back arrow at the top of the sidebar to return to your list of sections whenever you need. To change your store's overall style, look to the bottom of the left sidebar and click Change Store Style. Open the style groups to explore typography, buttons, and, most usefully, colors. Click Start editing your colors. Then, for example, open the drop-down next to Background to bring up a color picker. Choose a color and watch the preview update instantly on the right. When you're happy, click Update, save changes at the top right of the left panel. To switch pages, use the page selector at the top of the sidebar. If it's set to collections, open the drop-down and pick the page you want to edit. To add new content, click the plus Add button beside the page selector. Choose section to browse options like image with text, gallery, slideshow, text, or basic list. Select a style you like and it will be inserted into the page. The editing panel will appear again on the left so you can fine-tune it. Remember to click Save Changes regularly as you work to keep your updates secure.